Worldwide CQI 9 and CQI 12 training solutions for manufacturing industries and supply chains. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's global manufacturing environment, organizations face increasing pressure to ensure process consistency, product reliability, regulatory compliance, and customer satisfaction. As supply chains become more complex and quality expectations continue to rise, effective control of special manufacturing processes has become a critical success factor. Among the most important AIAG special process assessments are CQI 9 Heat Treatment System Assessment and CQI 12 Coating System Assessment. These standards provide structured methodologies for evaluating process capability, operational controls, equipment management, personnel competency, and continuous improvement across manufacturing operations. In this session, we will explore the technical requirements, implementation strategies, operational benefits, and business value of CQI 9 and CQI 12, and discuss how organizations can leverage professional training to achieve sustainable compliance and manufacturing excellence. Understanding special process management. Special processes are manufacturing activities where product conformity cannot be fully verified through subsequent inspection and testing. The final quality outcome depends heavily on process control, equipment capability, operator competence, environmental conditions, and adherence to documented procedures. Examples include heat treatment, coating and surface treatment, welding, plating, molding, chemical processing, surface engineering. Because defects generated during special processes are often difficult or impossible to detect, later, robust process management becomes essential. This is the foundation behind AIAG CQI assessments. These assessments provide globally recognized frameworks for evaluating process effectiveness, minimizing variation, reducing risk, and improving product quality throughout the supply chain. CQI 9 Heat Treatment System Assessment. Heat treatment significantly influences the mechanical and metallurgical properties of manufactured components. Properties affected include hardness, strength, ductility, toughness, wear resistance, fatigue life, dimensional stability. Improper heat treatment can result in catastrophic failures, warranty claims, safety concerns, customer dissatisfaction, and significant financial losses. CQI 9 was developed to establish a comprehensive system for controlling heat treatment processes and ensuring consistent metallurgical outcomes. The assessment evaluates several critical elements. Management responsibility. Leadership commitment is essential for effective implementation. Organizations must establish process ownership, performance objectives, resource allocation, continuous improvement programs, corrective action systems. Quality planning and documentation. CQI 9 requires comprehensive documentations including process flow diagrams, PFMEA, control plans, work instructions, reaction plans, inspection criteria, maintenance procedures. These documents help ensure process consistency and traceability. Heat treatment equipment assessment. The standard evaluates furnace integrity, atmosphere control systems, quench systems, temperature uniformity, instrument calibration, preventive maintenance programs, alarm systems, data collection systems. Equipment capability directly impacts product quality and process stability. Pyrometry requirements. One of the most technically significant sections of CQI 9 is pyrometry. Organizations must demonstrate compliance with temperature uniformity surveys, system accuracy tests, thermocouple management, instrument calibration, furnace classification, temperature monitoring requirements. These activities ensure accurate thermal processing and process repeatability. Process tables. CQI 9 contains detailed process specific requirements for carburizing, carbonitriding, annealing, normalizing, induction hardening, nitriding, vacuum heat treatment, OS tempering, mar tempering, solution treatment. Each process table contains technical requirements related to process parameters, monitoring frequencies, maintenance controls, and acceptance criteria. Job audits. Job audits verify actual compliance at the production level. They evaluate process parameters, product traceability, operator practices, documentation, equipment settings, inspection results. This ensures alignment between documented procedures and actual operations. CQI 12 Coating System Assessment. Moving to CQI 12, coating system plays a critical role in product durability, corrosion resistance, aesthetics, and long-term field performance. As customer expectations continue to increase, manufacturers must demonstrate robust process controls throughout coating operations. CQI 12 provides a systematic framework for assessing coating process effectiveness and ensuring consistent coating performance. Coating process risks. Poorly controlled coating operations can lead to corrosion failures, adhesion problems, surface defects, premature coating degradation, increased warranty claims, customer complaints, product rejection. CQI 12 helps organizations minimize these risks through standardized process control methodologies. Assessment structure. The CQI 12 assessment covers management responsibility, quality planning, process control, equipment maintenance, material management, operator competence, job audits, controls improvement activities. Pre-treatment controls. Surface preparation directly influences coating performance. Assessment areas include cleaning processes, surface activation, conversion coating, chemical concentration control, contamination monitoring, process verification. Without proper pre-treatment, coating adhesion and corrosion protection may be compromised. Coating applications controls. CQI 12 evaluates powder coating operations, liquid coating systems, electro coating processes, zinc flake coating, anodizing operations, spray parameters, film thickness controls, environmental conditions. Organizations must demonstrate effective monitoring and process control throughout production. Curing process management. The curing process significantly affects coating properties. Assessment criteria include oven temperature monitoring, cure validation, temperature uniformity, conveyor speed control, maintenance programs, calibration activities. Proper curing ensures optimal adhesion, hardness, appearance, and corrosion resistance. Process validation and testing. Organizations must implement robust verification systems including adhesion testing, thickness measurement, salt spray testing, cure verification, gloss measurement, visual inspection, performance validation. These controls help verify process effectiveness and product conformity. Now, benefits for manufacturing industries. Organizations implementing CQI 9 and CQI 12 typically achieve reduced process variation, improved product quality, lower scrap rates, reduced rework, enhanced process capability, improved audit performance, better customer satisfaction, increased operational efficiency, stronger supply chain confidence, reduced warranty costs. Most importantly, these assessments help organizations transition from reactive quality management to proactive process control. Importance for global supply chains. OEMs and tier suppliers increasingly require evidence of effective special process management. CQI compliance demonstrates process capability, operational discipline, risk management, technical competence, controls improvement commitment. This enhances supplier credibility and strengthens customer relationships throughout the supply chain. Now, URGS International Worldwide Training Solutions. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited delivers comprehensive CQI 9 and CQI 12 training programs designed to build technical competence and implementation capability. We provide these trainings online and on-site. Online we provide through Zoom and MS Team to organizations worldwide, and on-site also we can provide by sending our impaneled tutor to the client organization. Our training solutions include awareness training, internal auditor training, lead assessor training, gap assessment workshops, implementation support, supplier development programs, process improvement workshops, global online training, on-site corporate programs. Participants gain practical understanding of assessment requirements, process tables, audit techniques, corrective actions, and implementation best practices. Training is delivered by experienced industry professionals with expertise in automotive manufacturing, process engineering, quality systems, and special process management. At last conclusion, CQI 9 and CQI 12 are far more than compliance requirements. They are powerful operational excellence tools that help organizations improve process stability, reduce manufacturing risks, enhance product performance, and strengthen customer confidence. As manufacturing industries continue to pursue higher levels of quality, reliability, and competitiveness, effective implementation of special process assessments will remain a key differentiator. So to learn more about our worldwide CQI 9 and CQI 12 training, consulting, auditing, and supply chain development solutions, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical insights on manufacturing excellence, quality engineering, automotive core tools, AI/AG special process assessments, and global compliance solutions. Thank you.